In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Wix email inbox. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. This can be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser you typically use for accessing the internet. Once you've opened your browser, type in wix.com in the address bar at the top of the page and hit enter. This will take you directly to the Wix homepage, where all the magic begins. Now that you're on the Wix homepage, look for the Sign In button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your login credentials. Here, you should enter your email address and password associated with your Wix account. Don't worry if you've forgotten your password. You'll find a Forgot Password link that you can click on to retrieve or reset it through your email. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to your Wix dashboard. At this point, you should see a variety of options related to your websites and Wix tools. Focus on the top menu bar of your Wix dashboard. Look for an option labeled Mailboxes or sometimes Wix Email, depending on your setup. Click on this option to access your Wix email services. Now, you should be presented with a page displaying all the email tools related to your Wix account. Among the options, find the email address or mailbox name you want to check and click on it. This will direct you to your inbox, where you can view all your emails. If this is your first time visiting your inbox, you might see some introductory messages from Wix. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Typically, you will see your emails listed with inbox categories on one side and the email contents on the other. To read an email, simply click on it and its contents will display on the right side of the screen. You can reply, forward, or even move it to a different folder directly from this view. If at any point you want to check a different email account or switch users, simply navigate back to the Mailboxes section to explore other email options. Before wrapping up, let me share a quick tip. If you find yourself frequently checking this email, consider bookmarking the page in your browser for quick access next time. And that's it for today's video. You've just learned how to check your Wix email inbox. Make sure to keep your login credentials secure, and enjoy managing your emails with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay organized and connected with your Wix email.